Bihon, Filipino food. First step is we need oil, cooking oil. Then follow the garlic. Follow the garlic. Then follow the onion. We use white onion. It's good for pansit bihon. Then after that, guys, we follow the chickens. So I boil the chicken so that it's easy to cook. So we follow the chicken. Then after that, guys, we follow the vegetables. We put the carrots. This is string beans. Then we mix it. Then I put one roast cooked chicken. Then I put black pepper powder. Then mix it. Then I cover 30 minutes. If the vegetables is smooth, I follow the pancit, the noodles. So because noodles, I soak first. Continue our pancit. So look, the noodles we start already. Then look, our vegetables is already smooth. So we need to mix it. And we put soy sauce. We put soy sauce, guys. Small amount of soy sauce. So mix, and we follow the noodles or pancit. We follow our pancit. You know what, guys, in Philippines, if there's birthday like that, christening, all Filipino is can't live without pancit because that's Filipino favorite food, pancit. Filipino believes in saying that pancit is for long life, like that. So now, guys, I will mix it. We already put the soy sauce. Look, you can see, guys, just white pa, so we need to add more soy sauce pa. Because white pa o white, just a little na lang to color brown like that. So that's all, guys. So I mix it. Already 15 minutes, so this is our pancit now, already cooked. Look, our finished product. So guys, don't forget to subscribe me in YouTube and Mariton'sMeals. I will post more videos for cooking so that you should know how to cook in a small way, a small recipe like that. I'm not telling that I'm good in cooking, but for me, so that I will share, because so that you should have guide like that, especially to those mommies don't know how to cook. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Finished product. Our finished product.